Have you been wondering how to use whiteboard tools during an online class? Or you can't decide on which whiteboard software is the best fit for your online classroom? Myinking Tab is a portable virtual whiteboard tool that is compatible with any existing online teaching and collaboration platform like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, and Zoom. It's packed with whiteboard software that allows you to call out a whiteboard screen anytime during your online teaching sessions while sharing your screen with the rest of the class. You can also choose the color of your board from black, green, and even transparent. Import your PowerPoint slides into the software and start flipping and annotating on every pages by using the available tools like pen and eraser to control and explain your slides. Insert a whiteboard page on every slides for your further explanations if needed. You can access all these tools by simply clicking on the corresponding tab icons. If you'd like to share YouTube videos and other materials outside of your PowerPoint slides, simply click on the X icon, and you can go back to your desktop screen and open the other materials that you need. Click on the whiteboard icon, and you can instantly go back to your whiteboard and PowerPoint slide window. You can jump on different screens back and forth instantly and anytime during the whole duration of class. After your session, save all your annotations together with your slide into one PowerPoint file for referencing. Myinking Tab is also equipped with other shortcut keys that lets you navigate your laptop and PC faster and easier. It also works as a mouse if you're not in a whiteboard mode. Use Myinking Tab now and bring your traditional classroom creativity into your online class sessions. Myinking Tab, inking your ideas, linking your world.